Tanad Al Shiva na natin gawin. Okay guys, so we're here. We're gonna start cycling. And right now the parking is full. So we just park outside. Our first vlog cycling again. So we're just gonna do easy ride today. So yung plano ko talaga is sasama tayo sa Mafia. So that one is their tempo ride every Tuesday. They start at 5:30 a.m. But the thing is, like, I don't know, I'm so sleepy. So right now I'm late. So that's why we're just gonna do easy ride. So this is the third tunnel. Before, isa lang. Tapos naging dalawa. Tapos ngayon, pangatlo. Hey. Actually guys, the weather is still good. Malamig pa rin. Still cold. Even though it's May already. Dapat humid na to eh. Last year it's humid already. I don't know what's wrong with my Hammerhead. It's not working. I charged this one last night. Usual water. It's free and it's cold. It's a good thing. So we're going to test this DJI sa cycling pang vlog. Sanay kasi ako sa GoPro and hindi pa natin masyadong gamay ito, kaya sometimes it's twitchy. So we're just gonna wait for a group na pwede nating samahan so we can join, and so we can have also a decent speed today, even though it's a rest day, even though it's an easy day. Hey. I miss this place. It's been 4 months. Binenta ko kasi yung bike ko, so di ako nag-cycling for 4 months. I focus on running. May iba naman. May ibang sports. And then nakapunta tayo ng trek. Pinahiram na tayo ng bike, which is this one, the one I'm using right now. I'll show it to you later. So let's just do a bike check also. Breakaway. Yan. Samahan natin. Matutulin yung mga Mafia today. May breakaway na. Sila RB. I'm just gonna do like this. Easy. Tuli naman nila. Sana dapat tayo sasama. Ay, wow. Habang naman. Sama ba? Doon na tayo sa nag-native. After ng group. Yeah. pwede na yun. Pwede na yung pa-power sa no. Kahit 15 minutes, pinawisan. Nice Jello. Pares palang Jello yung nasa harapan ko tsaka sa likod. Jello Edgar? Arya!
Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us.
Oh, bounce
Get your
jump
money and flip it.
back to the loop. Kakape muna tayo. Tara, kape tayo.
Welcome to my vlog! Hello po. Please follow Migo po. Mabait po yan. Grabe yan, mabait yan. Isa po yan sa mga idols ko sa sa pagbablog, sa pagbabike. Elementary pa lang po, pinapanood ko na po yan.
Dahil dyan, magkakape tayo. Kahit late na.
Sobra?
Pinagod niyo si Tito Sen. Ano yung first time mo ni-ride?
Yung one by. First time.
Ayun.
Tsaka maliit yung cassette.
Grabe na yung mga bisikleta dito guys. Oh.
Ayan.
Puro Colnago. Ito pa.
Bubble ka.
Puro Colnago. Oh, Syncros.
What's up, my boy? My handsome friend, how are you?
Late, as usual.
Sobrang
Okay guys, so this is what I'm using for now. So this is my Trek Madone Gen 8 and size is small. It has a Ultegra DI 212 speed group set and Bontrager wheel set and Bontrager Aelus Pro 51. Medyo mabigat siya but it's fine, and it comes with the Bontrager RSL handlebar, the one piece handlebar of Trek, and this one the Aelus RSL saddle full carbon, 155. Also I'm using a Topic bottle cage, the 10 grams, I believe 10 grams. So look, wala tayong power meter, hindi na natin siguro kailangan kasi wala naman tayong power. So yun guys, I've been riding this bike for like 3 weeks na, and I was surprised kasi nung una kasi talaga akala ko di maganda yung Trek kasi nakagamit ako ng Trek before, yung Gen 6 nila, yung mabigat, yung Aero. So nung time na ginamit ko yun, parang tumatak sa isip ko na parang ang bigat naman itong Madon na to, parang ayokong mag Trek. And then later on nagkaroon ng Gen 7 which is yung Aero na ganito, tapos itong Gen 8. So sa isip ko pa rin na parang hindi maganda yung Madon. Pero nung nagamit ko nga ngayon, so nung nagamit ko nga ngayon yung Trek, na-amaze ako kasi ang bilis pala niya, although hindi siya magaan kasi ano ba to, 7.8 tong bike ko. So hindi siya tulad ng S-Works ko dati. S-Works ko 6.4, 6.3 yan pag naka-tube. So hindi siya magaan, pero guys pag sinakayan nyo siya, mabilis siya kasi 4 months ako hindi nagbike, tapos sumama ako sa tempo ride ng Mafia. Average namin is 41. So biruin yun, wala naman ako ensayo pero nakakatagal ako sa 41 na average, which is I think it's the bike. So kung magkakaroon kayo ng chance na try nyo yung Trek. Hindi ko naman sa ina-advertise pero yun nga, maganda siya. guys, so nakaligo na tayo and also nakapasok na rin tayo, dito na tayo sa shop. So next video na lang to, mapakita ko sa inyo yung shop namin. So see you next vlog. Thank you for watching guys. See you. Bye.